So stay with me on this one because there's a lot of data. This one is what actually happened to home prices in 2022. So the first slide I'm going to show you is this is a 48-year average from 1973 to 2021. And as you can see, that 48-year average, we saw homes appreciate every single month between 0.10 to 0.88. Overall, it tells you in general that real estate over 48-year average has been continuing to climb. That's a good sign. Now let's bring in 2022. All right, so we bring that in. It wasn't as high, but it's still a little bit lower than the 48-year average with going up to 2021. But you could still see the 48-year average 2022 wasn't as bad as everybody wanted to make it out to be. It wasn't a great year, but it wasn't a terrible year. And this is showing you, if you look at real estate as a long-term investment, which you should, real estate isn't a daily trade or a monthly trade or a yearly trade. You look at it as a long-term investment. The next slide here, I'm gonna break down, is actually showing you what happened in 2022. The red, as you can see, we had a little bit of an uptick and then it came back down. And then, we went negative in the second half of 2022, right? But overall, as a general, we didn't go negative as a whole. Very few homes we did, a little bit in 2022. In general, we were a little negative, but it already bounced back in 2023. And let me show you that. Where did home prices go in 2023? So let's break down the first half. Voila. What did you see? So you had 2022 started up high, it then came down low starting April, May, June, negative in the second half of 2022, and that's already rebounded in 2023. So those are good signs that the real estate market has already rebounded, the bottom has happened, and we're starting to climb again, even with 7.5% interest rates, guys. What does that tell you? No supply, buyers still want to buy, we have a low unemployment rate. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data, you just got to bring the decision, and subscribe to all my social channels if you want to stay up to date on the real estate market.